In my last video, I installed the RS grill on the S3, but we have a little bit of a problem. The lower grills don't match the rest of the front end. So today we are going to be fixing that by replacing them with a fully blacked out set. The grills that I got are just like the OEM ones. We have the right side covered and this corner area covered as well, just like the OEM. The install should be pretty simple. There are no bolts or anything like that, just a few clips. So the old one should just pull right out and then push this one in, and the front end is gonna look so much better all blacked out. So here are the grills right next to each other, and they are literally the same exact thing. I mean, the only thing that's different is the color of this piece, and that's the reason I'm changing them. So the left side grill is in and it looks so good. I mean, it's a small upgrade, but the difference it makes is huge. Just look how good this side looks blacked out compared to the old grill. I mean, this is literally like you versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. The install is complete. Very simple and quick upgrade that you can do if your car didn't come with a stock Black Optics package like mine and you decided to go with the RS grill. Definitely recommend replacing those lower grills because it just makes the front end look so much more mean. Overall, I'm very happy how the car is starting to come together. I got more mods on the way. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to stick with these wheels for the winter season. I live in Chicago, so we get pretty mild winters here. But for the next season in the spring, I already have my eyes set on the wheels that I want to get, which are gonna look very, very good. Short video, show you guys how simple and quick this mod is. If, like I said, you have the RS grill and you just want to black out the rest of the front end. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. More mods on the way. Please like, subscribe if you guys want to see more content on this car, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.